Environmental aspects of aging. Aging is a complex biological process that represents cumulative structural and functional changes in an organism over time. It is genetically regulated process that's responsive to environmental influences. Agents present indoor and outdoor environments and in the diet affect the aging process as does exercise, past illness and more. Age-related changes occur in all tissues of the body and affect the functioning of all body systems. The biological mechanism underlying aging are still unclear. As indicated in table, the last half century has witnessed major advances in understanding the process and components of aging. We now recognize the aging process to be the gradual accumulation of molecular and cellular damage, and the environment is a part of this changing. Environmental aspects of aging. The environmental factors that accelerate aging are those that influence either damage of cellular macromolecules or interference with their repair. Prominent among these are chronic inflammation, chronic infection, some metabolic chemicals, ultraviolet light, and other that heighten oxidative stress. Among the many factors that affect the aging process, environmental exposure is one of the modifiable risk factor. Environmental pollutants and chemical adversely influence the homeostatic status of aging, frequently resulting in development of certain diseases at an earlier age than expected. The most notable exogenous factors influencing degree of aging were sun exposure and smoking. Other possibly contributory lifestyle factors include alcohol consumption, stress, diet, exercise, disease, and medication. Some environmental factors that affect the health: exposure to hazardous substances in the air, water, soil, and food. Then natural and technological disasters, climate change, occupational hazards, the built environment. These are the some factors affecting to the environmental aging process. Some environmental factors modulate the rate of aging, that are caloric restriction, then vitamin D, exercise, heavy metals. First one, caloric restriction means diet is a key of environmental factors that affects in the incidence of chronic diseases. Although reports of beneficial effect from dietary supplements are frequent, currently the greatest interest in diet as it relates to aging is the demonstrated association of chronic restrictions with the longevity. Calorie restriction: the reduction in calorie intake while maintaining intake of essential nutrients appear to be non-genetic means to extend lifespan. Then second one, vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency is common in the elderly and is thought to result both of reduces sun exposure and reduced ability of the skin to produce the vitamin. In the elderly, vitamin D deficiency is associated with increased risk of bone fracture and type 2 diabetes, among other chronic diseases. Mechanistically, vitamin D appears to inhibit inflammation with aging. Vitamin D concentration decreases whereas inflammatory mediators increase. The third one, heavy metals. Acute exposure to heavy metals may cause acute neurotoxicity. Slow accumulation can result in neurodegenerative disease later in the life. Then the last one is exercise. Exercises is believed to have many anti-aging benefit. Regular exercise has been reported to increase mid lifespan, to reduce the risk of developing neurological disorders, and to delay the onset of neurodegenerative disease. Exercise has been found to increase acute oxidative stress even in conditioned athletes. It is thought that some of its benefits may be consequences of a stress tolerance mechanism. Aging is progressive process that is driven by accumulated molecular damage and regulated by systems of maintenance and repair.